So, start with your feet back here. Okay, you're gonna roll down, keep your back, and then you're gonna walk your hands out. Walk
It's
out.
like a glide.
Yeah. And then you're gonna drop your hips back up to the ceiling. Now push your hips up to the ceiling. There you go. There you go. And now drop your feet to the mat. Push your hands back, hips up towards the sky. There you go. And now rock forward. Cubby's gonna join us. We're gonna drop down. There you go. And now reach up to the sky. Keep your legs on the table or on the ground. And then you're gonna rock back up. And then we're gonna walk those hands back. Standing all the way up. There you go. And then roll up. One vertebrae at a time, all the way up. Reach your hands to the sky. And exhale. You did fall down. That was good relaxation. Oh. Good job.
I fall down again.